Hello, hello. Here is what we're working with. Dry ends, stretch curls, zero definition. Okay, this is the evening after the blowout. You see how bad the humidity is here? My hair was like, nah, we are not straightening. Don't judge me, okay? However, it is time to revive my curls after straightening them. I finally straightened my hair and now my curls are like, who are you? Honestly, if my curls don't come back, just know it happened right here, right now. I plastered the heat protection. My hair had oil. Like I made sure that there was no heat damage. The first thing I did was brush it. And then I rinsed it with warm water. Never use hot water. But at first I was like, oh no, it's not coming back. What? But because it was so oily, I guess the water was like, I ain't getting through this. How am I going to get to your hair shaft? And then the magic happened. So the warm water actually helps my curls remember their pattern without shocking it. Look at that. They're slowly coming back to work. Okay, I'm relieved. We can breathe again. I used Bounce Curls Clarifying Shampoo and we were back to square one. Almost. Though I must say, my hair was much easier to detangle. And after straightening your hair is thirsty. So apply everything generously. Don't be stingy. Don't be shy. Load it up. Your curls deserve some TLC. Rinse it all out. Yeah, look at that. Okay, we're back. Next, I used deep conditioner, obviously, and my curls were soft, they were happy. It did look slightly different, but I guess it just needed a week or two to get back to normal. I used a good leave-in and a good deep conditioner and a good curl cream to rebuild the moisture balance. You see how my curls are clumping again? That's how you know they're forgiving you after the blowout. Like, no heat damage, we're good. I was worried about the ends. My ends are looser than the rest of my hair just because that hair is older. Your healthiest hair should be the ones at your root. Final thoughts, what do you think? Yeah, we're back. The curl definition, no worries, no heat damage. I was happy as Larry, whoever Larry is. Okay, but hold on. The curls are back like nothing ever happened. We went from flat and bushy and confused to juicy and defined. Okay, that's my comeback story. My curls forgave me, so if you ever want to do this, it's okay. Don't do it often, but make sure use heat protection and everything you need to know. I've done a video on this already. So go to my channel and I'll see if I can link this to this video as well. Comment below if you've ever straightened your curls and how long did it take for your curls to bounce back? I want to know. Was it straight away? Was it the next week? Was it a few weeks? Thanks so much for watching Curls by Sharlene. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? And why not hit the bell button so you're notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching Curls by Sharlene and I'll see you next time. Peace out.